Wallahi, talai. I blame Nigerian government because of this. Because if all these churches, you see all these churches, if they get license, we cannot be seeing all this rubbish. We never even rest for the one where we're here. We don't hear another one. You know, say they always bring Una the latest. That's why you need to keep up with me. A lady acted a mad woman role in church to boost a prophet's ministry, one of the fake prophet ministry. And the prophet promised to pay her 50,000 naira for the role. Madam no go collect money before the business deal. After the mad woman role, she now come to say, pastor to pay her. Pastor refused to pay. Imagine. I don't need to say much. Listen to and watch the video yourself. Make you see use your eye here waiting this woman did all.
See, this man meet me, oh. Say make I come in church, you want to do miracle. Say make I do like say I dey craze. I say okay, me and talk. Okay, you wait. 50,000 naira. This man say go pay me. I say okay. No wahala. He says give me 5,000 for transport. Now supposed balance me 45,000 naira. Since last year they call him block me. This man blocked me.
So una they collect money to act mad woman role for church these days, eh? So they pay una for this thing. They pay una. We never rest for Doris or Galau. With all this thing where she they talk. Now this one business deal. They say, Madam, Biko, next time money for hand, back for ground. Collect money before anything. You go they do business on promise. You go do business on promise. They go pay. You never collect shank bam. You go they act. So now you want us to come and settle the issue. How do you want us to come and settle this issue now? You go act mad woman role. See, do you know that some people will start saying that this woman is possessed? Do you know some Nigerians will start telling you that this woman is possessed? Because religion, they know they see again. Some people don't mumu. They don't know their left from their right. So some people come and tell you that this woman is possessed. For real. Pastor Nyash, they don't open Pastor Nyash like this. Wow. You see, say, Pastor na fake, they do fake miracle. They do fake, he plenty. Owu, tell your neighbor Owu is a bastard. Owu na bastard. Maybe money no 2 day for that particular week. Pastor no fee pay. Mumu suppose collect money before business deal. You can't. So how do you want, Madam? How do you want us to settle this issue? From one fake to another. Because in this country, people they invent things now. Who don't make person think say if I pay this person, you go act mad woman, you go come fake miracle. People go plenty for you know. So church. It's a very very lucrative business in Nigeria. You know, and another one is, what if the pastor pay this one 50,000? People they not go know. We will not know. So it better as they no pay her, make the anyash kuku open. May we continue the conversation on the comment section. And Bella BVI, subscribe.